Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. In maths, today a topic is missing numbers and the number names. Today we will deal page number 27, 28, 29 and 32. After watching this lesson, students will be able to recognize tens numbers, how to write missing numbers, name of the number. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. The first question is, write the missing numbers and the number names. One has been done for you. Look, there are 2 stacks of 10 and there is no ones. 2 stacks of 10 makes 20 and there is 0 1, so here is 0. Now add them. 20 plus 0 equals to 20 and now here is the number name of 20. Now there are 1, 2. 2 stacks of 10 and 1, 1. 2 stacks of 10 makes 20 and there is 1. So here we will write 1. Now add them. 20 plus 1 equals to 21. Now write the number name 21. Then there are 2 stacks of 10 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 stacks of 10 makes 20 and there are 2 ones, so here we will write 2. Now add them. 20 plus 2 equals to 22. Now the number name 22. Now there are 2 stacks of 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 2 stacks of 10 makes 20 and there are 3 ones, so here is 3. Now add them. 20 plus 3 equals 23 and the number name 23. Now here we have some more numbers. Here we also write the missing numbers and the number name. Here are 1, 2, 3. 3 stacks of 10 and there is no ones. 3 stacks of 10 makes 30 and there is 0 ones. So here is 0. Now add them. 30 plus 0 equals to 30 and write the number name 30. Now there are 3 stacks of 10 and 1 ones. 3 stacks of 10 makes 30 and there is 1. So here is 1. Now add them. 30 plus 1 equals to 31 and the number name 31. Now there are 3 stacks of 10 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 3 stacks of 10 makes 30 and there are 2 ones, so here we will write 2. Now add them. 30 plus 2 equals to 32 and the number name 32. Now there are 3 stack of 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 3 stack of 10 makes 30 and there are 3 ones, so here we will write 3. Now add them. 30 plus 3 equals to 33. Now the number name 33. Now here are some more numbers in which write the missing numbers and the number name. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stack of 10 and there is no 1. 4 stack of 10 makes 40 and there is 0, 1. So here we will write 0. Now add them. 40 plus 0 equals to 40. And now the number name 40. Now there are 4 stack of 10 and here is 1. 4 stack of 10 makes 40 and there is 1, so here we write 1. Now add them. 40 plus 1 equals to 41 and the number name 41. Here are 4 stack of 10 and 1, 2, 2 ones. 4 stack of 10 makes 40 and there are 2 ones, so here is 2. Now add them. 40 plus 2 equals to 42 and the number name 42. Now there are 4 stack of 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 4 stack of 10 makes 40 and there are 3 ones, so here is 3. Now add them. 40 plus 3 equals to 43 and now the number name 43. Now here is another question, which is count on abacus, write the missing numbers and the number name. One has been done for you. Look, there is an abacus. On tens rod there are 5 beads. 5 bead means 5 tens, which makes 50. And on one's rod there is nothing, which means there is 0, 1. Now add them. 50 plus 0 equals to 50 and the number name 50. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. 5 beads means 5 tens, which makes 50. And one's rod has 1 bead, which means 1. Now add. 50 plus 1 equals to 51 and the number name 51. Now this abacus has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads on tens, which means 5 tens and 5 tens makes 50. Then one's rod has 1, 2 beads, which means 2 ones. Now add them. 50 plus 2 equals to 52 and the number name 52. Now this abacus has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads on tens rod, which means 50, and 1, 2, 3. 3 beads on ones, which means 3 ones. Now add them. 50 plus 3 equals to 53 and the number name 53. So students, hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now your homework is to attempt page number 27, 28, 29 and 32 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.